Do you want to know how you can log into your HH2 Payroll account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your HH2 Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and then search for HH2 Payroll. Then you can see this link pop up. Go ahead and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of HH2 Web Services, which is your HH2 Payroll page. So the next step is to write down your username in this box. After you write down your username, make sure it is corrected to the HH2 Payroll account. Then go to the second box and write down your password. After you write down your password, click on this icon and check your password once again. Then go ahead and click on Login. This way, you can successfully log into your HH2 Payroll account. You can even click on this box and your browser will remember you the next time you try to log in. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you. Click on this link, write your email address in this box over here, click Reset My Password, and then a mail will be sent to you by HH2 by which you can reset your password and then you can log into your HH2 Payroll account once again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.